Hey everybody, it's Sherry at the Crafty Decorator. I am just here with a quick video of how to turn your silver platters into a Lazy Susan. This one, I hooked a bowl on the bottom. So I used a platter. These are silver plated, these ones. This one I paid $4.99 for, and the bowl I paid $2 for. And I purchased these swivel plates from Home Goods. Do not go to Lowe's for them. Lowe's wants $10. Not Home Goods, Home Depot. Don't go to Lowe's. Lowe's wants $10. Home Depot only wants $4.48 for one. So go to Home Depot for your swivel plates. They're in aisle 11. Aisle 11, base 16. But I turned this, I did this one before I went to get my hair done. So I did this one at 1:30. And look, how cute is this? Now, I know sometimes the bowls are hard to find. And big, humongous platters sometimes are hard to find. This is like an average size platter and this smaller plate. So I'm going to show you how we did this one. This one I paid $3.99. I should have took my stickers off the bottom of this. $3.99 for this one. And I think this one was $1. Let's see. I should have took these stickers. I washed them all before. And I wasn't going to do a third one. But I need to show you how to connect them. And I wanted the one to be dry for the bottom. The first one I did. Okay. So, of course, I am using my Gorilla Clear Grip Adhesive. You can buy this at Lowe's, Home Depot, Walmart. Sam's has a good package deal for it. It's $10 and you get 2 of these and 2 small ones. So, okay. What I did was just add my glue onto my plate. Of course, I didn't want to screw it in because you'll see the screws in the silver platter. So, I just took my clear grip adhesive and I add it on the corners of my swivel plate here. I just add my glue. I'll show you in a minute. It's not glue, it's adhesive. Clear grip adhesive. I'm always calling it glue, but it's clear grip adhesive. So I just add it on my 4 corners like that. And then I place this in the center of my plate. I'm just judging the center. That looks good. Okay, I just attach this into the center of my plate. I think I might need to move it up just a tad. Okay. You can have your tape measure ready to see if you're centered. Let's see. Okay. Okay. I'm pretty good. Then, if you want, you can put something heavy. I put something heavy on top, and I used my frying pan. I set my frying pan on top just to hold it down. Let me move this out of the way so I show you. Now, I just let that sit about 10 minutes or so before I do the second part of it. This one I did before. This platter I only paid $1.99 for at Salvation Army the other day. I already attached this one. And I am going to use this plate here. And it has sort of like depth to it. See it? So it goes down in. So it's going to lift it up a little bit. Now, for the second part, I just add glue to my 4 corners on the top. Well, let's see. I got to see where it's going to touch. See where it's going to touch. Okay, this one's not touching. Depending how big your plate is. Mine's not going to touch the corners. So I am going to add it right on top of the circle part. I'll show you. I'm going to add it all the way around. Once you don't get it down in the ball joints there. Okay. So I am going to set this on here. Okay. Should have showed you. What I did was added it. I can't even get it off. I didn't show you. I added it around on this circle right there. I added the glue on there. I forgot to show you. See, this one I'll be ready to do. I'll be ready to do that one, and I'll be able to show you that. Let me put that back over here. Okay, so I attached this like this. See it? Now, I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes. Just want to make sure it's centered. I'm going to put my frying pan on top of it. Okay, this one, I think I could do the second part. See, this adhesive is amazing. Okay. Now, I know this is not going to touch the corners. So, I am adding it on that ring part. This time I'm going to remember to show you. Okay. So I just added it on that circle part right there. And then I am going to place this on here. Now, if you want to let it dry longer, you'll be able to lay this plate on and then place it on. But I am doing it this way because I'm not letting it dry long enough. Okay. Really, I should have let it dry longer, but I just want to show you. All right. We're all good there. Now I need my frying pan back on there. My frying pan back on there. See, you can use 2 small platters, like, well, smaller plates, or you could do a bowl. This is a bowl on the bottom, like this. I wanted to give it height, so I used a bowl on this one, but I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. I am loving it. I probably need to let them dry a little. I need to let them dry a little more, but see, this is going to turn. This is going to turn. I probably could. Let me try to flip it over so you can see. Okay. I don't know if I could show you the height difference. That's what I wanted to try to do. I'll just move this. My frying pan is spinning around. Okay. I'm going to show you the height difference of a plate versus a bowl. I'm not sure if you could tell the difference. Can you tell the difference? It's kind of hard to tell the difference. Like, this could slide under this. So, but it's still good. I'm going to have to put my frying pan back on top of there. But I love this idea, guys. So simple. Just clear grip adhesive, 2 pieces of silver, either a bowl or 2 platters or small plates, and this 6x6 swivel plate. It's a Lazy Susan swivel plate. Again, get it at Home Depot. It's only $4.48. Lowe's is $9.98. And it's in aisle 11, base 16. That's where it is in mine. You can look it up online. It'll tell you where it is in your store. Okay. Thanks for watching my little video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you want to decorate the page with your friends, today is Wednesday. So Friday, I am going to pick someone to receive this platter right here. This one. This platter with the bowl on it, because that one's my favorite. So I am going to pick someone on Friday to receive this if you decorated the page. So just decorate the page with your friends, and I'll pick someone on Friday to receive that. Thanks for joining me. Talk to y'all later. Bye.